Jesus.
Baby, I just imagined something. No. So, my dream man. If you see my dream man for my imagination, rich, tall, handsome. Tattoo. My dream man. Jesus Christ. See, you know, as in Dubai, vacation for Dubai, every 3 months for Dubai. Just imagine now, them every month we give him allowance of like 2 million. Just imagine. Then hair, like maybe this week you buy pixie coil, next week short bone straight, or okay no, like maybe 40 inches. You understand that kind of feeling? You know that kind of feeling now. Then we can give you iPhone 16 pink color. Oh, Jesus Christ. My imagination, man, will come to reality. I swear to God. My imagination, baby, will come to reality.
So like this time now, you not be settled for less.
I not be settled for less. So now me want to fly back the down to Nata. That's for big. I not be settled for less. I cannot settle for less. Okay? I can't.
You know want be a follow man.
No.
You know want settle for less.
No.
The worst part of it now, you not get character. Wait oh, you say you want follow man we not get money. Your brother, that your poor brother, don't want marry.
Baby.
That's what you.
I don't like. What do you mean by that one? See my brother not get money.
Your brother get money from. Your papa self who marry, not be woman. Your brother not go get money self. Your papa poverty, your brother poverty.
You don't get. How they going? I don't even know why I didn't follow you talk, sir.